In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI, custom writing styles that sound like you. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI. On the results page, click the official Claude site to open a fresh chat. This route is quick and keeps you from landing on older docs or unrelated pages. With the chat open, start by giving Claude a clear prompt that sets the agenda. Type, "Can you show me how to use Claude artifacts for writing and coding? I want a simple explanation, examples, and a few steps I can follow. Please also show me how to create a writing artifact and a coding artifact." This framing does two things. It explains what you want, and it tells Claude to provide hands-on, editable outputs. Artifacts are live workspaces where Claude can generate structured writing or runnable code that you can open, tweak, and reuse. Before you send the prompt, open the Search and Tools panel. Here, you can control how Claude writes. Turn on Use Style so your reply follows a consistent tone. From the list of presets, choose Explanatory. This style prioritizes clarity, logical flow, and step-by-step reasoning, which is perfect when you're learning a feature for the first time. Think of it as a teacher voice, precise, organized, and friendly without being wordy. One quick tip as you explore styles. The preset influences how the answer sounds, not the accuracy of the content. If you want it to sound more like you, include one or two brief voice hints in the same prompt, such as clear, upbeat, and straightforward, and let Explanatory handle the structure. Now, click Submit. Claude will respond with a breakdown of artifacts for writing and coding, plus example content. You'll see an Artifacts panel that presents the outputs in a clean, editable format. They are designed to be adjusted to your needs, whether you're polishing text or reviewing code. If anything feels off, too formal, too casual, or not quite in your voice, add a short descriptor to your original prompt, like "make it conversational and practical," and resubmit using the same explanatory style. You can also ask Claude to paraphrase the draft to better match how you normally write while keeping the structure intact. That's it. You searched for Claude, opened a chat, set up the style controls, chose explanatory, and submitted a focused prompt that asks for both explanation and artifacts. From here, you can repeat the flow with different presets later. But explanatory is a reliable starting point whenever you want results that are clear, thorough, and easy to act on.